think this thing's running a little rich?
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
So here's your assistant.
Job foreman, I think.
If you've been following our other episodes, you know we've been helping our neighbor Andy with his Amphibious Max 6x6.
Yeah, at this point, we weren't even sure if this motor was seized or not. It was definitely all gooked up. The carburetor was so dirty, we couldn't even get the butterflies to open and close. So we thought we'd dig into it.
When in doubt, hard clean it out.
Huh, did something.
It did a little bit. You want to take that side off the top, just make sure it didn't break one of these like rockers or like, you know, valve fell in there and you're just banging on it.
Yeah, probably
Just to take a just to look at least, you know.
Should we take both of the sides
So
off?
you don't mind as well. At least we'll have a better idea of what's going on inside.
Hey, a revolution.
There you go.
Talking about a revolution.
Look at that. I just felt it. Yeah, I just felt it. The valve came up.
Yep, look. There they
Yeah, there
go.
they go. There it
Hell
goes.
yeah! We did
There
it!
it goes. It's spewing.
Well, boys, take the rest of the day off.
I know.
We're done. Let's check out.
Done.
Well, that is a
marvel.
fucking big
That's
step.
such a
Yeah,
good sign.
that is a good sign. Yeah.
Such a good sign.
Yeah.
I thought it was just going to be done.
Well, yeah, I did too for a second. I did too.
There's still,
Yeah.
there's hope.
Yeah.
look
No,
at
there's
it.
hope.
It's
If it's
nice
spinning,
now.
if it's spinning, we'll get it running.
Well, we were pretty excited to see that engine turn.
Yeah, I'll say. After that, we threw some new spark plugs in.
Wow. Let's take a look at this, huh? Here, hold it up for the fine folks at home. Thank you.
Let's say that's the thing. That's probably the spark plug.
From 94.
Is there dates on these or no?
These guys are all in the.
You're going to put it on top of the cart? Is that green wire? Oh, okay.
This is the reverse and forward. So how does that go?
Oh, okay. They just.
Okay, so up and down. Okay, so there you go.
So how does this work then? Guess it's all internal.
Yeah, yeah. So we're not going to open that bad boy up.
Yeah.
The mysteries.
We'll find out
Is there any drain plugs?
soon enough.
Is there any drain plugs?
Yeah, I am the drain plug mafia when it comes to anything amphibious.
There's some holes back there. I don't know what those holes are for.
Are they sure they will let water out?
Oh, maybe, huh?
But they also
So
would
let
let water
water
in.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get a shop vac and just get all this
Yeah.
crap.
So after a lot of serious effort cleaning up the motor,
We threw some brand new oil in it and got ready to throw this bad boy back in the tub.
You want to put the dipstick in there? Dipstick?
Renee? You want to do something?
I'm busy.
Really?
I like the blue better than the red. It was red, wasn't it?
Yeah. I got both.
And now we were coming into the home stretch. We're just going to drop the battery in, maybe throw a little bit of gas in here and cross our fingers, see what happens.
What's that gallon? I think is it 7? Is there any leaks down there?
No.
That's good.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, Mike, it was so cool to watch you and Andy bring this Frankenstein back to life.
Yeah, you know what? I knew we were going to have a blast when I saw him pull up with this thing in the back of his truck.
Yeah, well, hey guys, if you didn't see what sorry shape this was in to start with, watch episodes 1 and 2. Anyway, we'll have to catch you next time. Thanks a lot.
See you later, guys.